Swedish music here on SOS, the sound of Sweden. From 1973, believe it or not. That's a nice track in the real SOS flashback. And now it's really time for Jeff Saunders. So I'm Glenn Roberts, and I want you to tune us in next month, the third Sunday in June. Tune SOS radio in on the 48-meter band, probably on 6,200 kilohertz. I'm Glenn Roberts, wishing you a very nice and pleasant Sunday. Stay tuned and have a good day.
Simple and free. The sound of a young Sweden. This is SOS Radio.
You're listening to Jeff Saunders on SOS Radio. Welcome to SOS Radio, broadcasting today on 6,200 kilohertz in the 48-meter shortwave band. My name is Jeff Saunders, and I'll be with you till 11 o'clock GMT. And thanks a lot to Clark Kent there for a very nice show, and also to Glenn Roberts. SOS Radio broadcasts every third Sunday every month in the 48-meter shortwave band. And if you'd like to write to us, our mailing address is as follows: SOS Radio, the sound of Sweden, Post Office Box 41, PO Box 41, NL 7700, AA Dedemsvaart in Holland. Once again, that's SOS Radio. PO Box 4141, NL 7700, Dedemsvaart in Holland. And please enclose an international reply coupon if you want like our QSL card. And we do would love to hear from you. And please send us reception reports, because we're very interested to hear what we sound like in Europe. And the music you're hearing in the background right now is from Light of the World, from their album Round Trip, and a track called Pete's Crusade. Ja, till alla er som lyssnar till SOS Radio, en verkligt god morgon från Jeff Saunders. Vi sänder alltså på 48 meter kortvågsbandet, 6200 kHz. Och vill ni skriva till oss så är adressen SOS Radio, postbox 4141, NL 7700, AA Dedemsvaart i Holland. Och jag kommer att tala om den här adressen senare också i programmet. Alltså Jeff Saunders mellan 10:30 och 11 här på SOS Radio. Men nu så är det dags för kvällens första skiva. Och kvällens första plats där är med Sarita och Billy Preston. En låt som heter A Neverlasting Love. Ja, det var lite fel. A Long and Lasting Love heter den.